All right, welcome back, folks. Round two, part two. This is actually part three, if you really think about it, from when I first bought it. But this is the unboxing. So part two of the unboxing. By the way, hey, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe now so you don't miss anything coming up. And it's free while it still is. So anyway, this is the oil that it comes with. So I'm going to cut the grass with this for the first time. This is the part two part. First use of it. I can't do it because it's raining right now. Got a job to do. Grass is starting. I did my first cut. Now I do my first real maintenance in customers from last year Friday. I can't do it until it stops raining. So we'll go from that, and I'll take you on that job also, which yard comes out really nice. This is the oil they give you. It's 30 weight oil. Just use the oil that it comes with. It's straight 30 oil. It's not synthetic, just straight 30 oil. Premium engine oil. That's all it is. My other mowers, I use 10W30, regular oil from AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts or Walmart, wherever you get it. That's all I use in my other mowers. But except for my Kawasaki's, that's not true. I buy Kawasaki for the Kawasaki's, for the nice engines. Anyway, so braking strap engine, it's a good engine. This actually is a good engine. Oil goes in here. Let's go ahead and put the oil in. So I wish I didn't have. I hate putting my thumb in there. I should get a funnel, but I'm just gonna. Should be able to just get it right on top of there. Are you like me? You have to get every bit of oil out of that can. I don't know why, but it seems like you're not getting the right oil if you don't even get the little stuff that comes out of there. Alright, it stopped. It's dropped. It's ripping. So there you go. That's that. Put some gas in it. I'm not going to put any gas in it until I'll get ready to cut with it. And when we come back, we'll be out cutting grass. Thanks a lot. Let's put this in there. Boom. I'll check the dipstick. You got to turn. This one you actually have to turn it to check it. So turn it out, pull it out, check it. You should wait 3 minutes and check it again. Anytime you're filling oil on these mowers, because you have to have that time for that oil to come down the funnel that it actually comes with, the chute, the filling, to go down and then settle in, and as you get your accurate amount. I mean, it's not much, but it's the accurate way. So let's go out and cut the grass. You see that? That's coming out of there. That's from doing this. As much as I like this mower, this is the absolute last Toro product I will ever own. Alright, well there you go. Put gas in for the first time. There's oil. Now there's quality problems already. Look at the paint on the side of here. Not making this stuff up. I had it on its back. The oil stick, the seal, doesn't seal well because when you hold it back, I've never had that problem with any of these. That's just the quality of it. These things are not coming out well. They're building too many of them, I think. The mower's a nice mower, but quality, terrible. But it's a good cutting mower. I keep saying that. Let's see what happens. Okay, not sure what the sound is. It sounds like a jet. It's kind of cool. But yeah, I got issues with this already. The grass is shooting out through the back somehow. It's been doing that even after this, but I don't know. It is what it is. I've had a bunch of these, so this one definitely has a lot more power than the other ones that I've owned. I have to give them that. I have already felt belt slipping in this, and that's a concern, but it cuts good. It's got a lot more power than the previous models, but that noise kind of concerns me. I don't know what it is, and nothing I can do about it, but it does cut nice. Well, there you go. So it cuts good. Sounds new. I'm already having an issue with the oil leaking out of the back when I'll tip it back, so I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. I'll probably just maybe just see if I can't just contact them to send me a new dipstick. I don't feel like taking this one back, so it's fine. But as you can see, the thing that I don't like about this mower is when you cut with it on a regular basis. You can see how the grass gets clogged up in there pretty fast, and that was just right there, that little spot. So imagine working on a whole job. That starts clogging up. You start getting grass falling over, and you gotta call it alfalfas where they stick up. But I mean, it's for a regular mower. You can't beat what it does. But the price, it's not worth $1,000. Probably $500 worth. I'm gonna put the size shoe on to show you. It actually shoots up pretty well, so we'll show you that right there. Alright, so you can see how it cuts. It actually cuts pretty good when it's brand new. But there are some areas where I think it could be improved on. But it's just the way the grass clumps in here. It causes a problem. And you're not going to see this on camera because it looks perfectly fine. But the areas where the ground dips, I'm having a little bit of issues where it didn't cut really well. So you can see that right here. But that's not that big of a deal. I can just go over it twice. I'll show you what I don't like about this, but what I do like. I don't like how it clogs up in here. But that spray that I just put in here, look at this. It just comes right off. That's actually pretty cool. As you can see, it gets pretty beat up pretty fast under here. This is just 1 yard. See this layer that it builds up? There's not a whole lot of room for the grass to go anywhere, so you'll get this line. It'll form around the entire thing, and then it'll start to clump up here, it'll clump up here. But this grass is a little damp. It's actually not wet at all. It's just damp. So this is not considered wet grass. This is just damp, and this is a typical of what it does for the 8 or 10 years that I've been using these things. So, but they're an okay mower. They'll get the job done, and they're not worth $1,000 at all. This is that plastic part. Yeah, that little plastic part will actually break on you. But cut-wise, you can have fun with it and cut, and it does an okay job. It's better than bringing out a 32-inch zero turn, or what do you call this thing? So walk behinds. Okay. The oil didn't come out that time. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have it down tight enough. I thought I did. But there you go. So it cuts okay. As you can see, I mean, you really can't tell. It's just grass. But if I were to double cut it, it would even look nicer. But as you see what I'm talking about, any kind of dips in the ground, it doesn't contour it as well because the deck's wider. A 21-inch will actually contour the ground better. So, but this does make a nice wide cut, which is a different look, and it looks nice. So there you go. That's my honest opinion on this thing. And these are little chintzy, so baby these things. This as well. Yeah, so definitely the 10 horsepower is so much better than the original one they had. But they had this 10 horsepower out for a long time now. So just keep in mind, it's not bulletproof. A lot of this stuff will go bad on you over time. But this is working fine right now, and I'm not having any issues with any of that right now because it's brand new, and it shouldn't. But give it some time, and we'll see what happens. So there you go. Let me know what you think. Please be nice. I know a lot of people love this mower, but I mean, I have a love-hate relationship with this thing. So anyway, it is what it is. You would have spent $1,000. Go ahead and spend a little bit over $1,000, $1,200, $1,300 for that mower. If you think it's worth it, go get it. I don't think it's worth it. I think this price point should be at $500, maybe $600. That's where I think they should sell this version. But that's just me. So anyway, there you go. Thank you. Not bad for a first cut.